Hello everyone. Good morning and welcome to Indian English. My name is Abhishek Pandey. I have a question that I would like to discuss with you. There are a lot of you will be wondering that how can we speak English in lockdown? Since everything is shut, there is no school, there is no college, there is no institution is open. So how you can practice English, how you can become fluent in spoken English, how would be able to improve your spoken English perfectly. Now most of you would be a jobber, most of you would be student, okay, and you'll be willing to improve on your English, you'll be willing to work on your English. Then how you can do that since everything is shut, since you have no way out, you have no way to practice English? What you can do? Now there is very simple thing that you can do. Either you can join an online class. Look, you gotta find someone to talk to anyhow. Like let's say you want to practice English, your English is fantastic, you just need to push a little bit. Then also you need a person to talk to. There are some group you can join as well for talking in English. But actually what happens there, I'm talking about a group or I'm talking about an application that are so-called ways to speak English or improve on our English. Because there nothing happens, they just have fun and just exchange your numbers and just start chatting, and these all stuff happens. Like you're not going to practice English, you're not going to notice any improvement in your spoken English by doing these things. Okay, what you can do, first of all, we have got YouTube. Okay, you can go to YouTube and start browsing for some online English channels. Go to them and start listening to them, start consuming the content from there. And it is absolutely free because YouTube doesn't charge you any amount. I personally, as an Indian English teacher, I have started online classes where I try to give you that environment where you can talk and speak in English. I know it's really hard to attend online classes because at home we don't have that environment, some people disturb us every damn time. But since we have no option left, this is one of the best option we can work on. Okay, so either you can join some online classes, you might have some teachers, or you can find some teachers online. If you want to join me, you can join me as well, because I have started some batches that are basic, intermediate and advanced as well. Okay, so by this way you can improve on your English. By this way you can start learning English fluently, and you will have an environment where you can discuss English with some people. And the second option I discussed with you is YouTube. You can go to YouTube and start consuming contents. But what happens when you're consuming content? Let's say you're listening to something, you are watching a video. Until or unless you try to implement all those line and words, phrasal verbs practically, you don't remember them forever. Okay, and you don't use them in your life, so it's just good for nothing. If you find someone to talk to, let's say you found someone on Instagram and that person is willing to learn English, that person is eager to speak English with you, he loves practicing English, then it is good. All in all, you need a person to talk to, you need a group to talk to, then only the conversation is possible, then only you will be able to become fluent in the lockdown. There is no other way. There is no other way. Okay, there are so-called ways that you could say, like watch some videos that will help me, that will improve up to some extent. But if I'm talking about being fluent English speaker, so that is not going to help you up. Trust me, you gotta join someone. Either you have some friend, you can talk to them if they agree to talk to you in English, but there the problem is they're not always available. Okay, but the classes, online classes are always available. They have some timing that yes, from this time to this time you can join the class, and ultimately you are maintaining an environment. You have got an environment where you can discuss your ideas, where you get to listen, where you got to speak, The teacher is there to guide you. The teacher is there to give you the idioms, phrases, vocabularies that are hardly essential to improve English. Okay, so what I am trying to make the point here is, if you find a teacher, if you find a group that is good for you, that is perfect for you, that's how you can practice English in lockdown. There are a lot of people sitting at home. They must be working from home. They don't go to office because of the coronavirus. Okay, so they're just trying to be secure and trying to be in a protected environment. Okay, so for them it is easy to join an online class, and it is easy to talk to people. It is easy to get into the environment. Okay, why am I forcing these things? I am forcing it because it is important to you. This is very important to you. Look what happens, like if you're learning English, and if you leave English for some days, you start forgetting it slowly, and after a month, after 2 months, you seem like you're nowhere. I mean, you don't know even a word in English. Okay, so I just want you to stay in touch with English. Just join someone, at least go online, talk to people. I know the house environment, the place where you live, people disturb you. You can mute your button, you can mute your voice and start listening to them, and once you are allowed to speak, then you speak there. Okay, that's what you can do to improve in English right now. In this pandemic, the situation is very miserable. We have a lot of options. We gotta somehow work on our English, to become fluent. That's what we can do only, my friends. I hope you might have got what I'm trying to say, where I'm coming from. You might have got that, you might have got a sense out of it. So that brings me to the end of this beautiful video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much for watching this video.